Yon World, what's the deal? It's your boy Original back with another one for y'all, man. Now check this out. Today on my YouTube channel, we going over how to promote MaxBounty products using TikTok influencers. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Now, if you don't know what TikTok is the next big video social media platform. And TikTok recently passed 1.5 billion downloads and it's outperforming Instagram. Now this is big because Instagram has been known to be the home of influencer marketing. And if you don't know what that is, it's basically when people pay Instagrammers to promote products on their story, in the links in their description, and as permanent posts on their page. And not only has Instagrammers got rich off this, but the advertisers have also made millions of dollars doing this method. And now TikTok is becoming the new giant for this space, for this influencer marketing space. And I want to teach you how to earn money promoting MaxBounty products. Now, MaxBounty is a CPA network, which means a cost per action network, meaning you could promote different affiliate offers from things just as simple as getting people to fill out an email address, and you will receive a commission for generating that lead. And today we're going to be using MaxBounty, to earn money on TikTok. Now, it's a couple ways you can do this. MaxBounty has a lot of different products. Now, we're going to focus on what's called single opt-in offers. These offers, they don't pay out that much, $280, $240, $3, $225, $560 per lead. You can go through here and select the best one. I went through and selected a couple that I like. In order to make money on MaxBounty using TikTok influencers, I recommend you use single opt-in offers or e-commerce products. That will be the best return on your money. The products I believe will work best are the Fitbit watch, right? We got the Fitbit watch. You get $240 per lead, no daily cap. So if you're promoting to a large audience and a large percentage of their audience, clicks on your CPA offer and sends their lead through, it's no cap. For example, if 1,000 of the influencers followers, if they click on your link and generate the lead for you and enter in their email, you'll generate well over $1,000, well over $2,000, if you get 1,000 leads for this. So yeah, now the Fitbit watch is one thing you can promote, right? You can promote also this Super Save, this free samples. It's a lot of different single opt-in offers, single opt-in offers on MaxBounty that you could promote, that have free samples. And I think the free samples will be good, just to get a quick email, a quick form submit from somebody on these platforms. It's very easy. A lot of people automatically have their email pre-saved in their phone, so once they click on something, their email will pop up automatically, enter it in. It just makes the process more streamlined, and it makes it faster and better. So first product I recommend is this Fitbit watch. You could promote on MaxBounty to different TikTok influencers. You can promote this Fitbit watch. Next we got the Dove soap samples, right? And for both of these, it's no daily cap. All you would need is an email submit on this one, and all you would need is a completed form submit, which is basically like a name, an address, an email, and that's it for that. Now, the next product I would recommend is an e-commerce product, and that's the Cool Sleep Pillow. Now, this one is $44 per lead, and you could promote this on TikTok. Now, the way we're going to be using this is through what's called adding a link in the bio, a bio link placement on TikTok. Now, TikTok now allows influencers to add website links in their bio. So the goal is to, basically get our product. You build a tracking link. You would just build a social raw link. You would get this link copy, and you would go to a service like Bitly, and then you would paste the long link, right? And then you would create, you would have a copy of the Bitly link, right? And then once you have a copy of the Bitly link, you go to a website that's called Shoutcart. Now, we're gonna go over influencer packages in a minute, but on Shoutcart, you are able to buy shoutouts from social media influencers. Now, you can use this website for a bunch of different things. I'm gonna make more videos about Shoutcart. I made a video in the past about how to earn money on MaxBounty using Shoutcart, but for this video, we're gonna focus on TikTok bio link. Now, if you come to the left-hand side, you will see how you can sort it by Instagram bio link, IG story, Twitter, YouTube. But today we're going to be focusing on TikTok and bio link. So we're going to select that, and then here it sorts all of the different influencers we can select. Now, you're not able to see their full name, but if you click on an account, let's say if you click on this account, you can see what the influencer does. So this influencer is good for comedy and makeup, right? So you could promote, a beauty product to her, and MaxBounty has a lot of different beauty products. Sometimes when it comes to CPA offers and making money online, it's about, what the customer wants, not really what you like. So if you see a lot of people are interested in buying makeup or buying, beauty products, you know what I'm saying? You want to promote that to these different audiences when you have the platform and the resources to get, these offers. So like I said, let's search that by single opt-in offers. Let's go to bookmark. What have I bookmarked? And you can see different offers, but I'll bookmark like the diapers, the mom and baby samples, things like that, things that people, women would buy, and okay, let's go back to the post. But you can see hers, and she charges $200 now for a permanent post and a bio in her link, and you could do it straight up like that. You can just go based off of their following. These people, you can see her recent videos, but TikTok has a lot of traffic. That's the thing about TikTok. It has millions and millions and millions of visitors. So if somebody got this one has 1.1 million. Let's see what he want. Well, his audience is about music, dance, lifestyle. So you can promote lifestyle products. You can promote pretty much anything. This is a very broad audience, and 1.1 million on TikTok, and all he wants is $250 for the post. So you could potentially make thousands and thousands of dollars, promoting offers on MaxBounty that don't have no cap, don't have a daily cap. And once you promote an offer that doesn't have a daily cap, once an influencer on TikTok promotes it, and it's up there and it's permanent, they could promote a video, and then if they get 3% of their following to like, or not like, but to generate a lead on your offer, then that's a lot of money. So there's two ways you could do this though. You could do it like this. You could actually buy a shout out straight up, or you could go and get a package. Now packages have a higher success rate because you use multiple influencers on different platforms for your CPA offers. Now, like I said, you could use this method of promoting products from MaxBounty to TikTok influencers for a bunch of different CPA offers, a bunch of different e-commerce products. It really doesn't matter. It's all about your game plan, your plan with doing this influencer marketing technique. Now, you can see right here on the influencer packages, they automatically have the different categories section off. So you can go to humor and memes, you can go to fashion and style, fitness, quotes and text, luxury, motivation, cars, animals, food, nutrition, nature, models, and it basically shows you your reach on each one, and the price it will charge. So let's just say we did something for fitness, right? Fitness, it says we could reach 2.4 million visitors or impressions, and the click-through rate is about 1% on that. So that's good when it comes to promoting an offer without any daily cap. So that's good because you can generate as many leads as possible. Now you can see all of the influencers that will be used in the package. You can buy the package right there. Now that's cool. So it's a lot of different things you could use. It's a lot of different ways you can approach this, right? And you can get real niche specific, you know. So yeah, that's my video for today. I just hope y'all gain something from this video, and make sure you leave a like, make sure you comment. I will be making more videos. I feel like it's so much, you know, so many different topics I can talk about. I just don't want to squeeze them all in one video. So make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. That's how to earn money on MaxBounty. That's how to earn money on MaxBounty using TikTok influencers. So make sure you leave a like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe. I'm out. Peace.